everybody, welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. My name is Verilyn, and today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Capricorns, Sun, Moon, Rising sign for September 2018. Now when I say general reading, this is going to cover your love, your career, your soul story, what's going on for September. Alright, for some of you guys who are new, I'm giving away one free reading every week, okay? All you have to do is you have to share one of my videos, any one of my videos. It could be to Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Alright, subscribe to my channel for your chance, okay? I'm picking one lucky winner each week for an email reading. For some of you guys who can't wait for that free reading, you can book a private session with me. I am doing pre-recorded video readings, okay, for $35 for 30 minutes or $70 for 60. Okay, this is very popular for some of you guys who would like to ask about, you know, your upcoming 2019. This way you can watch it throughout the year and really check back on things for inspirations or just see how things are lining up. Now, whew, I also do over the phone or Facebook, all that good stuff too. Alright, but let's dive into it. For September 2018, for my Capricorns, this is going to be a 5-star, a winter month for you. There's a lot of energy going on. Just to jump right into it real quick, Mercury is entering Virgo September 5th, so you're going to have a little bit more detail in your communication, okay? Perhaps this is going to a time for you when you can dip into your unconscious thoughts a little bit more. Now, what really is the key point for you this September, okay, September 6th, Saturn, your ruling planet, is turning direct finally, and better yet, in your sign. This is going to be one of the strongest points of the year for you guys, okay? How things are just lining up for you is really to the benefit for you guys, okay? This is working for your favor, okay, in your favor. Your relationships are just going to kind of be more structured around this time, and you're also going to be focused on the levels of energy that you're really putting in towards your career, your relationship, your marriage. You know, are you putting too much focus on your toxic act, whatever it is? It's going to be more clear for you, okay? Now, on September 9th, Venus is entering Scorpio, okay? So you're going to have a renewal regarding your love life, your career, kind of like how you view arts, maybe get back into your new hobbies. There's also on the same day a new moon in Virgo, okay? So there's going to be a renewal regarding your perfectionist side, okay? Those details, diving into it, being a little bit more structured. I love it. It's kind of all lining up for you guys, which is why I said it's a 5-star for the month. Okay, September 10th, Mars is entering Aquarius, okay? Mars, the leading planet, pioneers, more masculine energy with this planet is in Aquarius, which Aquarius is kind of like the freedom sign, the freedom thinkers going out there getting done, the what ifs in life. So you're going to have a more strong energy kind of popping out regarding your freedom, okay? Which is good. Let your voice be heard. September 21st, Mercury is entering Libra, so you're going to see a more balanced now in your communication. So that is always going to be to your benefit too, because you're now manifesting those energies. And along with that, shortly after, on the 24th, there's a full moon in Aries. That's so nice, that manifesting full moon energy in Aries, the pioneers, the leaders, the go-getters, the passionate thinkers. Use that to your advantage, okay? Because it's kind of like a get it done. In the beginning of the month, you're reflecting a little bit, kind of bouncing out from all those retrogrades, really thinking about where the direction that you're going, and by the end of the month, getting it done. All right, I said this was a card reading, right? No, I really like to go over the energies of the planets and the signs, the moon, what's going on for the month, because it really does reflect into the cards. I could pull cards that might represent the signs that are going on, that are being hot, and the changes that are going in with the planets. Or, you know, say if there's an eclipse, I have cards that represent that pop out too. It's really goes hand in hand. You might see that through your reading today. All right, so for my Capricorns, for September 2018, my lovely earth signs, my earth element, this is what is popping up for you already. The star. It's a 5-star month for you. No, I really do feel you are having that ability to manifest your dreams. This is a major card for you guys to start off with. And it happens early, okay? September 6th. Okay, Saturn is turning direct in your sign, guys. Use it. Manifest it. I'm very excited for you guys. Some of you guys have been having a whole bad year, maybe a bad summer. Maybe it was just August there that really shook you up, okay? I feel some of you guys are really starting your own business, taking the lead, perhaps coming into a security position, or really just putting down your foot in your marriage that has kind of been on the fluke lately. Shout out to some of you Capricorns that are partners with a Virgo. It could be your friend, your teacher, your spouse, whatever it is. You guys do have a strong connection to Virgos, whether it's just bouncing off your ideas with this Virgo. Go ahead and do so. All right. Okay. My Capricorns. Oh, wow, that just flew out, didn't it? All right. You're having a little bit of doubt moving forward. This could be that past energy, okay, from whether it was the year, the summer. This could be a toxic ex that really has left you on guard. Your surroundings are okay, Capricorn, so you're going to have to take off that blindfold. Put down your guard, okay? Relax a little bit. This is your month to shine, so don't let yourself stressing over the worry things really come in the way of your dreams, okay? There's a lot of things in life that are worth thinking about, but nothing in life is worth worrying about, Capricorns, okay? You guys can tend to be a little bit of a worrywart, okay? So let that side, okay? Your ruling planet is now going to be direct in your sign, so just let it go, okay? All right. Now let's see here. Let's see here. What is going on for you guys? My Capricorns. Element Earth. Okay. You guys have a great energy to you. Your ruling planet is Saturn. You guys are disciplined. Okay. Determined. You guys are the ones to get it done. Get everybody back on point. Oh my, alright. Have another one jumping out here. Oh, wow, okay. You have the Two of Cups. Now they say that this is the true lover's card. This can also represent signing a contract or getting into some type of business agreement. So what it is for the month is for you guys is you're really being presented a great opportunity to jump in to something new. Follow your dreams, your calling. You're presented with the Star card. With the Star card, I do feel it is a good energy coming on. An opportunity that you have been manifesting is just around the corner, but it also could represent Mars entering Aquarius on the 10th there, okay? Because the Star card does represent Aquarius, so there could be, that could be, not only is your ruling planet turning direct in your sign, but also Mars is entering Aquarius, so you could use both of those energies to your advantage. I mean, really, there is nothing to the negative, I feel, for you guys. for this month. It's a really good month for you guys. The Two of Swords, I feel if you do not let those fears go, you're not going to get to this state. You're not going to be able to find your true love, mend your marriage, or find that right contract, or, you know, signing on with a new business that really suits you. Okay, so let it go. Let it go, what no longer serves you. All right. I mean, it could be bad habits. Okay, it could be a drinking problem, smoking. Some of you guys, it is that toxic ex that keeps creeping up. I hate to say it, but we're just gonna say no. Okay, we're gonna take off that blindfold, put down those swords, and really enjoy that beautiful scenery around. Because if you look, there's a nice calm water, there's green luscious islands in the background. You know, you're on a strong foundation, but you got your guard up. Knock it off. Take off that blindfold. Enjoy life, okay? Don't let this slip out because you're too focused. Okay, if you keep yourself blindfolded, you're not going to find yourself in that position. All right. Now, I just, without even thinking, I picked up the Angels deck here. So we're going to pull one from the Angels for my Capricorns. All right, one from the Angels. Messages from the Angels. I love these tarot cards. All right. Let's see, what do we got going on here? This one is just jumping out at me. Four of Water, missing an opportunity. Okay, discontentment or boredom. Open your eyes to the possibility. I love when reading tarot just does it for me, because these cards just go hand in hand. Okay, if you do not open your eyes, as it says here, open your eyes to the possibilities, you're gonna lose it. You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss that opportunity. Okay. All right, and it's just because of the discontentment or boredom of a relationship or a dead-end job. Let it go, my Capricorns. All right. Let's see here. Just for fun, I'm feeling it. We're gonna do one from the Angels. Love these cards. You guys have seen these a lot. Being an earth element, the fairies represent earth. I don't want to say always, but I do pull these cards a lot for you guys. All right. Let's see. What is... Ooh. Jumping out already. You can see that towards the end of this reading, I am definitely a little more giggly. The energy's great. I love it. I love honing in this. You guys are really going to enjoy the greatness that is coming with September. And what's the seed to follow? I'm excited to see your October reading too. I should have that posted sooner or later. Do love reading too as well. Do some research. You need more information about this situation. Look into it before. Look into it further before proceeding. Okay, I can see this. I'm definitely getting the vibe. Yeah, for some of you guys that are just kind of like very hastily throwing out your resumes. Let me get this better on camera for you. For some of you guys who are just very hastily throwing out those resumes and not really doing your research on each company, you might want to go ahead and do that. Does it follow along with your morals in life? Does it have what you need regarding benefits, hours, everything like that? Okay, is it really what you need? For some of you guys who are single and moving forward with a relationship, now is it lust or is it love? Are you still in that puppy love stage? Okay, kind of get your head out of the clouds and see if it is really what you want before moving on and making it a little more serious, okay? Because you do end with the Two of Cups there. They say that is the Lover's card. So before making that commitment, does this relationship really hold true to your calling, okay? Does it push you forward or does it keep you back, okay? Is this person somebody who just a couch crasher, or are they saying, hey, how's your career? Did you hand in this? How's this going? Do you need support with that? You get what I'm saying, right? Are they a leech or are they supportive? Okay, so really find that for you guys. All right, I'm really feeling that this is concluding our reading for September 2018. Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, if you would like that chance at that free reading, all you have to do is subscribe and share any one of my videos. I'm doing one lucky winner once a week. Okay, I'd love to hear you for a private reading too as well. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. My name is Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful September.